What is your name?
My name is Lily.
What is your name?
My name is Lily.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Where do you live?
I live in England.
Where do you live?
I live in England.
What is your job?
I work as bank officer.
What is your job?
I work as bank officer.
Do you like job?
Yes, I like my job.
Do you like job?
Yes, I like my job.
What time you wake?
I wake up at 5.
What time you wake?
I wake up at 5.
What you do morning?
I drink tea every morning.
What you do morning?
I drink tea every morning.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast daily.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast daily.
What food you like?
I like bread and eggs.
What food you like?
I like bread and eggs.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook food daily.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook food daily.
What drink you prefer?
I prefer fresh lemon juice.
What drink you prefer?
I prefer fresh lemon juice.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I like summer season.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I like summer season.
What season you love?
I love rainy season most.
What season you love?
I love rainy season most.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I like light rain.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I like light rain.
What you do evening?
I walk outside every evening.
What you do evening?
I walk outside every evening.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I like watching movies.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I like watching movies.
What movies you like?
I like thriller movies most.
What movies you like?
I like thriller movies most.
Do you listen music?
Yes, I listen music daily.
Do you listen music?
Yes, I listen music daily.
What song you like?
I like soft, slow songs.
What song you like?
I like soft, slow songs.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play board games.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play board games.
What game you like?
I like chess game most.
What game you like?
I like chess game most.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have good friends.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have good friends.
Who is best friend?
My best friend is Noah.
Who is best friend?
My best friend is Noah.
Do you meet friends?
Yes, I meet friends weekly.
Do you meet friends?
Yes, I meet friends weekly.
What you do together?
We share stories and laugh.
What you do together?
We share stories and laugh.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I enjoy traveling abroad.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I enjoy traveling abroad.
Where you want go?
I want go to Spain.
Where you want go?
I want go to Spain.
Have you traveled before?
Yes, I traveled few countries.
Have you traveled before?
Yes, I traveled few countries.
Do you like journey?
Yes, I like peaceful journeys.
Do you like journey?
Yes, I like peaceful journeys.
What transport you use?
I use taxi every day.
What transport you use?
I use taxi every day.
Do you like taxi?
Yes, it is very comfortable.
Do you like taxi?
Yes, it is very comfortable.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading novels.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading novels.
Do you read daily?
Yes, I read books daily.
Do you read daily?
Yes, I read books daily.
What books you like?
I like mystery books most.
What books you like?
I like mystery books most.
What languages you speak?
I speak English.
What languages you speak?
I speak English.
Do you learn English?
Yes, I learn English daily.
Do you learn English?
Yes, I learn English daily.
Why English important today?
English is important global language.
Why English important today?
English is important global language.
Do you practice speaking?
Yes, I practice speaking daily.
Do you practice speaking?
Yes, I practice speaking daily.
Do you enjoy English?
Yes, I enjoy learning English.
Do you enjoy English?
Yes, I enjoy learning English.
What time you sleep?
I sleep at 11 daily.
What time you sleep?
I sleep at 11 daily.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I sleep early daily.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I sleep early daily.
What you do night?
I listen music every night.
What you do night?
I listen music every night.
Do you use phone?
Yes, I use phone often.
Do you use phone?
Yes, I use phone often.
What app you like?
I like Facebook app most.
What app you like?
I like Facebook app most.
Do you watch videos?
Yes, I watch videos daily.
Do you watch videos?
Yes, I watch videos daily.
What videos you watch?
I watch cooking videos mostly.
What videos you watch?
I watch cooking videos mostly.
Do you like internet?
Yes, I like using internet.
Do you like internet?
Yes, I like using internet.
What site you visit?
I visit social media sites.
What site you visit?
I visit social media sites.
Do you post online?
Yes, I post photos sometimes.
Do you post online?
Yes, I post photos sometimes.
What clothes you wear?
I wear clean, simple clothes.
What clothes you wear?
I wear clean, simple clothes.
Do you like jeans?
Yes, I like blue jeans.
Do you like jeans?
Yes, I like blue jeans.
What color you like?
I like white color most.
What color you like?
I like white color most.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping outside.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping outside.
Where you shop mostly?
I shop at nearby markets.
Where you shop mostly?
I shop at nearby markets.
Do you buy online?
Yes, I buy things online.
Do you buy online?
Yes, I buy things online.
What you buy online?
I buy gadgets and clothes.
What you buy online?
I buy gadgets and clothes.
Do you save money?
Yes, I save money regularly.
Do you save money?
Yes, I save money regularly.
Why saving money important?
Saving money secures future life.
Why saving money important?
Saving money secures future life.
Do you spend wisely?
Yes, I spend money wisely.
Do you spend wisely?
Yes, I spend money wisely.
What makes you happy?
Good music makes me happy.
What makes you happy?
Good music makes me happy.
What makes you sad?
Bad situations make me sad.
What makes you sad?
Bad situations make me sad.
Do you help people?
Yes, I help people often.
Do you help people?
Yes, I help people often.
How you help others?
I help them with support.
How you help others?
I help them with support.
Do you respect elders?
Yes, I respect all elders.
Do you respect elders?
Yes, I respect all elders.
Do you call parents?
Yes, I call parents daily.
Do you call parents?
Yes, I call parents daily.
What parents teach you?
They teach me honesty always.
What parents teach you?
They teach me honesty always.
Do you love family?
Yes, I love my family.
Do you love family?
Yes, I love my family.
What family do together?
We talk and eat together.
What family do together?
We talk and eat together.
Do you visit relatives?
Yes, I visit them often.
Do you visit relatives?
Yes, I visit them often.
What festival you like?
I like New Year festival.
What festival you like?
I like New Year festival.
Do you celebrate festivals?
Yes, I celebrate with family.
Do you celebrate festivals?
Yes, I celebrate with family.
What food you eat?
I eat special tasty foods.
What food you eat?
I eat special tasty foods.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, I like sweet foods.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, I like sweet foods.
What sweet you like?
I like ice cream most.
What sweet you like?
I like ice cream most.
Do you drink water?
Yes, I drink enough water.
Do you drink water?
Yes, I drink enough water.
Why water important body?
Water keeps body active daily.
Why water important body?
Water keeps body active daily.
Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I exercise every day.
Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I exercise every day.
What exercise you do?
I do yoga every morning.
What exercise you do?
I do yoga every morning.
Do you like walking?
Yes, I like walking daily.
Do you like walking?
Yes, I like walking daily.
What place you love?
I love peaceful natural places.
What place you love?
I love peaceful natural places.
Do you like city?
Yes, I like busy city.
Do you like city?
Yes, I like busy city.
Do you like village?
Yes, I like calm village.
Do you like village?
Yes, I like calm village.
Which place you prefer?
I prefer quiet village life.
Which place you prefer?
I prefer quiet village life.
Do you like nature?
Yes, I love green nature.
Do you like nature?
Yes, I love green nature.
What nature you like?
I like forests and rivers.
What nature you like?
I like forests and rivers.
Do you like birds?
Yes, I like birds singing.
Do you like birds?
Yes, I like birds singing.
What animal you like?
I like cats very much.
What animal you like?
I like cats very much.
Do you have pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you have pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What pet name is?
Its name is Bella.
What pet name is?
Its name is Bella.
Do you play pet?
Yes, I play with pet.
Do you play pet?
Yes, I play with pet.
What makes you laugh?
Funny scenes make me laugh.
What makes you laugh?
Funny scenes make me laugh.
Do you like jokes?
Yes, I like funny jokes.
Do you like jokes?
Yes, I like funny jokes.
Do you tell jokes?
Yes, I tell jokes sometimes.
Do you tell jokes?
Yes, I tell jokes sometimes.
What makes day good?
Happy moments make day good.
What makes day good?
Happy moments make day good.